Tips and tricks to sell an internet business. MergersCorp. MergersCorp. At MergersCorp M&A International, we help our clients confidentially buy and sell privately held businesses, align the interests of all parties for mature success and satisfaction. It's our goal to make the process of either buying a new business or selling your current business as smooth and efficient as possible. We know how important confidentiality is to our sellers, and we treat it with the utmost importance. Tips and tricks to sell an internet business. MergersCorp. Tips and tricks to sell an internet business. How to sell your business quickly and for the best price. The decision to sell a business can be stressful and time consuming to the owner, especially when the process takes a longer time, whether the decision is necessitated by an illness, boredom, financial problems, or other reasons. A business sold at a good profit is always a plus to the owner. Looking to sell an internet business? Here's what you need to know. Update your accounting records. The main aim here is to bring up to date all your financial as well as your legal records. Here you might need a complete overhaul of your accounting records. Therefore, it is important to keep an up-to-date record of your financial status, as this will save a potential buyer's time that they would otherwise spend in looking for accurate and current information about the business. Prepare a business summary. It is important to have a summary of your business, as it saves the buyer's time and might even help to raise the value of your business. A business summary contains important information about the business, what the business is all about, and will help answer questions that the potential buyers might have in mind. Market your business extensively. There are various ways of finding potential buyers. Keeping the time factor in mind, you might need to employ most, if not all, the approaches with the hope of getting the best quote for your business. These include making direct phone calls to potential buyers, emailing them, web advertising, and use of print media. As much as web advertising can be expensive, it has a large target group and can bring many offers in a short period. Do a realistic valuation of your business. Evidence of value is paramount in attracting attention and interest of potential buyers. To ensure you do not price your business too high or too low, you might require the services of a valuation expert. The professional will tally the value of assets, determine the liability, find out how much the business generates annually. The valuation of a business must be done properly, or else it might turn away prospective buyers or delay the selling process. Boost business sales. Robust sales will eventually improve the valuation of your business, thereby making it more attractive to potential buyers. The best time to sell a business is when it is doing well rather than when you are encountering failures. A continuous drop in daily sales could be a red flag to potential buyers. Hire a business broker. Selling a business on your own might be cheaper, but the process may take a longer time compared to leaving everything in the hands of brokers. There might be brokerage fees associated with the deal, but a competent broker can help you sell the business faster and even get you the best price. Final word. Selling a business can be an emotional and tiresome experience. On the other hand, it is a big financial decision that can help improve your financial status. If you are hoping to sell your internet business quickly, consider implementing the above steps. Additionally, You can find a business broker to take you through the process and obtain a successful sale in no time. Thinking about buying a new business or selling your company? Do you want to know how much your company is worth? You are in the right place. At Mergers Corp M&A International, we can help you buy and sell established businesses for mature success and satisfaction thanks to our office in 30 plus countries. Schedule a meeting with us for free case valuation at MergersCorp.com. If you're interested in buying or selling a business, please contact now our M&A advisors at www.mergerscorp.com. MergersCorp.com. The information contained herein is of a general nature and is not intended to address the circumstances of any particular individual or entity. Although we endeavor to provide accurate and timely information, there can be no guarantee that such information is accurate as of the date it is received, or that it will continue to be accurate in the future. No one should act on such information without appropriate professional advice after a thorough examination of the particular situation. Member firms of the Mergers Corp network of independent firms are affiliated with Mergers Corp International. Mergers Corp International provides no client services. No member firm has any authority to obligate or bind Mergers Corp International or any other member firm vis-a-vis third parties, nor does Mergers Corp International have any such authority to obligate or bind any member firm.